Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wonder to do a full cabin tour of an accessible Category 6A Deluxe Oceanview with veranda. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a really good amount of space for everyone.
As you'll see, there's lots of things built in for mobility accessibility here in this room. And as a Category 6A, you have a white wall veranda instead of the plexiglass veranda. But this particular room, that veranda is absolutely massive.
Let's go check it out.
So when you tap the key card there, the door automatically opens for you. And of course you do have the small ramp on the threshold there so you can roll here into the room. Extra wide doorways to accommodate wheelchairs, and then you do have the button inside the room if you'd like to hit that to open it from the inside. You can see the room here is a very different layout, a lot of space here in this room. You've got room for 4 people to sleep. You have the couch over there and then the berth up above the couch. You have the queen size bed here, but a ton of space to spread out here in this room, which is great for navigating with a wheelchair or ECV. We've got some storage space over here with the cabinets and drawers. You also have some water glasses up there and some boat artwork there. We've got a full-length mirror on the wall over there, and then our closet area over here. This closet is where you're going to find your life jackets, and then you also have a closet rod as well as your safe, and then a ladder for the pull down upper berth. And your stateroom host can assist you if you need that upper berth while you're staying here in this room. And then the other half of the closet actually has an adjustable closet rod. You can grab this stick right here and pull, and it will actually bring the closet rod down to your level. So if you need that here in the room, you've got that option. Our bathroom here is just a single bathroom instead of the typical split bathroom layout you would have in most of the rooms. And of course that is to accommodate wheelchairs. You've got the extra wide door here, and the door does stay open when you pull it open all the way there. You can see when we come into the bathroom over on the right, you do have the roll-in shower right there. You've got the bench over in the corner, so you do have that available to you. You have a detachable shower head, and you can adjust where that is on the wall. And if you need help adjusting the height of that, your stateroom host can help you with that. You also have the emergency pull cord there in the corner if you need to use that. You've got refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash down there on that shelf. And then of course you have your toilet, you have the grab bars around the bathroom all the way around. You've got your sink that you can roll up underneath. They do have it emptied out down there so you can roll underneath it. You have some soap and also liquid hand soap. You also have some lotion, and then the couple lights there on each side of the mirror. A decent amount of space in here in the bathroom, of course, and then room on the countertop there for spreading everything out if you need to. And then there is a single wall outlet over here on the wall for razors and things like that, but not for hair dryers. That's going to be over on the desk. Our bed in here is a queen size bed, and that is raised up off the ground a little bit, so you have storage space underneath for your luggage, but it is a little bit lower than the beds in the regular rooms here on the Wonder. At the end of the bed, we've got our bed runner with some nautical themed elements on there, including Mickey Mouse and the Disney Cruise Line logo. And then on the side of the bed, we have a wall outlet there behind the phone, as well as our lamp, and then we have an emergency call button. If you'd like to activate that, they can turn that on for you. You've got your lamp here with little Mickey heads cut out on it, and the different Disney parks and cruise ships represented on the map. On the other side of the bed, we have the exact same setup with the lamp and the little nightstand there. You just don't have the emergency call button over here, and you also have an extra outlet because you don't have the phone taking up that space. Right here beside the bed, you have your other 2 beds, your couch that flips down into a twin size bed, and your upper berth that pulls down and kind of makes that top bunk setup here with your 2 beds there. You've got a chair over there in the corner, as well as the little coffee table here in the middle of the room. Again, lots and lots of space here in this room. Across from the bed, we have our desk, and this is a little bit bigger than normal to accommodate rolling up underneath the desk there. Our drawer here is where you're going to find your hair dryer that plugs into the wall right over here, as I mentioned. You've got the 220 outlet there, as well as a regular wall outlet, and then additional outlets on top of that with USB outlets as well. Our lights here also have some little Mickey heads on them. You can see at the top and bottom of the lights there. Right below the desk, there is a small drawer, and when you pull that out, you can see we've got some Disney Cruise Line postcards and stationery there, and then a mini fridge in this little cabinet down here. This mini fridge does not have a freezer section, but you can see if you bring water or buy water here on board, you can fit quite a bit in the fridge if you need to. And then above the fridge, we have our small TV here and another cabinet for storage. And then we have our veranda. And this is the main feature of this room. Of course, it is also accessible like the rest of the room. So the door is extra wide to accommodate wheelchairs rolling through there. And you can see down there, there is a small bump. It isn't a totally flat ramp, so it might have a little bit of trouble getting over that heading out, but it's not too bad. And then once you come out here on the balcony, you'll see this is an absolutely massive veranda. All of this is for this one stateroom. You've got a couple regular chairs over here. You have a couple lounge chairs down here. You also have an additional chair over here in the corner with a table. All of this is for one stateroom. So yes, you have plenty of room out here if you can get your wheelchair over that small little lip. Plenty of room to roll around and enjoy the beautiful views here off the back of the ship. Just unbelievable how large this veranda is in this room. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 6A accessible Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda here on the Disney Wonder.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions. We're happy to answer those.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button while you're down there. You can find tons of other room tours on all the Disney Cruise Line ships on our channel, as well as room tours at the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney destinations around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.